When I was really tiny, I remember being so involved, like really interested in the flowers that were in our backyard. And they were my friends. I was just amazed by them. And when adults used to ask me what I wanted to be when I grew up, out of my mouth came an artist. I wanted to be an artist. Somehow I knew myself to be an artist. But I had no idea what that actually meant. It just was like the thing, the word that connected me to my crayons and my creativity and the magic that I saw happening when, an instrument hit the paper and created a mark. And that is magical for children. Most often, all children find that to be so amazing. And then we get older and fast forward, we attach all kinds of meaning to this. And so my journey has been one of relinquishing a lot of the meaning that others and myself have attached to what it means to be an artist. So it's really interesting to be able to talk to you about it and give you maybe some insight to help you along on your path. But when you're creating in the way that I teach, you're in what I call discovery mode, and attaching meaning to what it is we're doing is so much less important than being present with the magic of Mother Nature. In this case, the work is about the flowers, but it's really about everything. Flowers are the perfect conduit to express the beauty of the creative process as it happens inside us. We're part of nature. And so you've just been watching me work on a painting that I call Infinite Rose. And so I invite you to continue, come along. You can also check out the links below for the workshop that is associated with this particular painting.